Morning friends, in today's lecture we're going to discuss types of beams. Total 5 types of beams are there: cantilever beam, simply supported beam, it is called as SSB, overhanging beam, fixed beam, and continuous beam. We'll discuss one by one. Which types of beam you're going to call it as cantilever beam? If the beam is fixed at one end and it is free at other end, such type of beams will called as cantilever beam. The best example for cantilever beam is a electrical pole which is fixed at the ground and at the top it is free. Second one is simply supported beam. Simply supported beams are nothing but a beam supported or rested freely on supports at both ends. Here you can see that for a beam, if you provide supports, here I have provided two supports, or a beam is resting freely on supports on its both ends. Such types of beams are called as simply supported beam. The best example for simply supported beam is a TV table. For a TV table, here you're going to provide legs to support the table. This will act as a support, and on this you're going to mount the TV. Such types of beams are called as simply supported beam. Third one is overhanging beam. If the end portion of a beam is extended beyond support, if you see the figure in this, two supports are provided. In that, the end portion of the beam is extended beyond the support. Such types of beams are called as overhanging beam. From this point up to the support, we'll call this as simply supported, and the end portion of the beam which is extended beyond the support is called as overhanging beam. The best example for overhanging beam, you can take a table which is extended beyond two supports. Whatever the extended portion is there, we are going to call it as overhanging. For that, you're not going to provide any support. Third one is fixed beam. A beam whose both ends are fixed. Here you can see that both the ends of the beams are fixed. Such type of beams are called as fixed beam. The best example for a fixed beam is the vertical column in the building. If you see the column in the building, it is fixed at bottom as well as at the top. And the last one is continuous beam. A beam which is provided more than two supports, then such types of beams are called as continuous beam. In this case, we are going to provide more than two supports. Here more than two supports are provided. Such types of beams are called as continuous beam. This is about the types of beams. Next is types of load. There are three types of load. First one is a concentrated load, or it is also called as point load. Second one is a uniformly distributed load, or it is also called as UDL. Sorry. Third one is uniformly varying load, or UVL. We'll discuss one by one. First one is a concentrated or point load. A concentrated load is one which is concentrated to act at a particular point. Here you can see that the load is acting at a particular point. Although in practice it must really be distributed over a small area. Here the load will be distributed about a small area. Such type of loads are called as point load or concentrated load. Once again I will repeat, a concentrated load is one which is concentrated to act at a particular point, although in practice it must really be distributed over a small, very small area. Such type of loads are called as point load or concentrated load. Second one is a uniformly distributed load. As the name indicated, the load is distributed uniformly. Here you can see that from starting point to end point, the load is uniformly distributed. It is same throughout the length of the beam. Uniformly distributed load is one which is spread over a beam in such a manner that rate of loading is uniform along the length of the beam. Third one is uniformly varying load. As the name indicates, the load is varying uniformly, means it is not same. From starting point it is different and to the other end it is different. Means uniformly varying load is one which is spread over a beam in such a manner that rate of loading varies from point to point. From one point to the other point, the load will not be same, whereas in uniformly distributed, if you take at any point, the load will be same. Here the load varies from point to point along the beam, and the load is zero at one end and increases uniformly. Here you can see that the load is increasing uniformly to the other end. Such types of beams we will call it as uniformly varying load. The notes are provided in the description. Thank you for watching.